everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. So it means that the trigonometric ratios are sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant and cosecant. Their values what it is, if it is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree or is 90 degree. So that we are going to learn in an easy way in this class. So we need to follow this order. First of all, to write the trigonometric ratios, only you have to follow this order only, then only it is applicable. It is easy. Sin A, first you have to write sin A, afterwards cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A and cosecant or cosec A. So A means angle, or else you can, instead of A you can write a theta, no problem. So what it is the value of 0, sin 0 degree. So first only this line or this thing, if you remember, remaining all you are able to write in a easy way. That trick I am going to tell in this video. So sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, here it is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and this is 1. This we have to remember. So sin 0 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then, so next it's a simple way, sin reverse we need to write. So what it is, 90 degree we have to write here. So 1 root 3 by 2. So first it's reverse. 1 it is here. Root 3 by 2. Next as it is reverse you will get it a 1 by root 2 only. Next 1 by 2 and 0. So this we made it as a reverse of this. That is a cos A. Values cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Then tan, how will you write? It's a simple. So what it's a? It's denominator and numerator. 0 by 1 is 0. Simple. Here it is, what is the numerator? 1. Then again this numerator root 3 by root 3. Then what happens? This 2 that get cancelled, you will get it this. So tan A function is, we know tan A function is equals to sin A divided by cos A. This is a tan A function. So that only we followed here. Next numerator is 1. Here also numerator is 1. 1 by 1 is 1 only. Then numerator here root 3, denominator is 1. Root 3 by 1. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value is infinity or is not defined. Here we are writing not defined. We don't know its value. So that only we are not defined. Or else you can write a infinity also, no problem. Next tan A we wrote. Then tan A reverse, it is cot A. Not defined. So you will write this only. Then root 3 by 1. 1 as it is, 1 by root 3 and 0. It's very simple. Then secant A. Secant A is very easy. It's reverse. Cos A reverse. 1 by 1. 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. Root 2 by 1 you will get it root 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Then this if you reverse. So this is basically 0 by 1. If you reverse this, it will become a 1 by 0. It means not defined. So if you remember only one line sin A things, sin A values, you are able to write all things. Then this reverse you will write now. Not defined. So it is 2 by 1. Next it is root 2 by 1. 2 by root 3. Then 1. So this is a easy way to remember trigonometric ratios of 0 degree to 90 degree. If you remember only this value, you are able to write a complete table. So if you know this, you can write it in a quick manner. Within a few minutes, you will complete this. If you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.